Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the numericals which is based on electric field due to the point charge. So if any point charge is placed in electric field, then we have to, how we can calculate that with some example we are going to see that. Before this, let me tell you that electric field due to point charge whole complete explanation we have covered in the previous video. You can go through that. Here we will do the quick revision of it in short. So what is electric field? Electric field is nothing but if any charge is been placed, अगर किसी चार्ज को हमने रखा है तो चार्ज के सराउंडिंग एक फील्ड जनरेट होती है, प्रोड्यूस होती है, और वो जो फील्ड है दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट रीजन इज नथिंग बट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। अगर उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर कोई और दूसरा चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट आता है तो उस चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर एक फोर्स लगता है जिसको हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स। सो एक एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा था कि जैसे क्यू ये चार्ज है, इसने अपने सराउंडिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बनाई, और अगर हमने एक पॉइंट पी कंसिडर किया उस फील्ड के अंदर तो जो कि आर डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है, तो इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पी के ऊपर कितनी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रहेगी वो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था। एंड वी केम टू द कंक्लूजन दैट कि वो जो फील्ड होती है एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट दैट इज गिवन बाय E इज इक्वल्स टू के क्यू अपॉन आर स्क्वायर, वेयर आर इज नथिंग बट अ डिस्टेंस between the charge and the point at which we are going to calculate the electric field, and Q is that particular charge which is producing that field, and K is a Coulomb's constant over here, which value is approximately 9 into 10 to the power 9. Let's understood this with an example. Okay, so here we have the example. Let's say that we have the point charge that is plus 2 microcoulomb. Okay, and now we want to find out the electric field because of this charge at a distance of 3 centimeter from it. So here the Q charge is nothing but 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. As microcoulomb we have converted into the coulomb. Then the distance which has been given to us is in centimeter, so let's convert it into meter. So R will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and we know that the value K constant is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So now we have the formula, as we have already seen, that E is equals to KQ upon R square. Put the value of K here, then Q as we have put over here, then R and its square. So if we calculate this value, we get the electric field as 2 into 10 to the power 6. So electric field at 3 centimeter distance from plus 2 microcoulomb charge will be 2 into 10 to the power 6. Now even the direction of what will be the direction of this field? So as we know that the charge is positive in nature, the direction will be outwards. So it is directed radially outwards. Thank you.